Everybody, it's Bunny. And who's the last one to the party? It's me! How ridiculous is my outfit right now? I have camo, but underneath, it's another layer of camo. Today, I am the last one to the party because we are finally gonna be unboxing my Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box. Do you know how hard it has been for me to not watch any of the videos popping up on my feed about everybody who got their boxes and was so excited? I'm trying to have a flashback to when I ordered this on Thanksgiving and now it is literally Christmas. So I was waiting on Thanksgiving in my turkey coma, refreshing the Jeffree Star Cosmetics website to snag one of these babies. You guys know that I love mystery unboxings and mystery stuff in general. And I have to say, for one, I am super excited that the whole mystery unboxing thing is slowly creeping into the cosmetics world. A couple of months ago, we saw Beauty Blender come out with the mystery sponges where you didn't know what color you were gonna get. And I feel like I've seen a couple of companies do mystery boxes like this, but I'm just very excited for this one. I ordered the, what's it called, the ultimate or the premium? I do have a screenshot of that, so let me refresh my sweet memories. Yes, there were 3 sizes you could get. You could get a premium mystery box, which was $30, that had 6 items, a deluxe mystery box for $80 with 10 items, or the ultimate mystery box, which is the one that I got, and that has 13 items, and it was $175. So it says mystery boxes may contain lipstick, lip ammo, highlighters, bundles, palettes, scrubs, apparel, and accessories. I, for one, am a Jeffree Star Cosmetics junkie, so I pretty much have all of the products already, except for I don't have any, that's not even listed in here, so probably not gonna get any of that, but I don't have any of the lip liners, and I don't have any of the apparel, and I only have 1 mirror and 1 makeup bag. So honestly, there's a lot of mirrors out there that I've wanted, like the little popsicle ones. Oh, I'm gonna use these pliers to try and cut open this box. The reason why I'm just now getting to this, I have been out of town for 9/10 of December. I've been more out of town in December than I've been in town. So this arrived to me while I was in Florida, and it's been sitting here, and I almost didn't make a video about it anymore, but I don't know, I'm so excited for it. And honestly, I guess it kind of doesn't matter when I unbox it, because literally I think these things sold out in 5 minutes or less. I couldn't tell you guys hey, this is great, go buy one for yourself, because you know, already sold out. I see somebody selling their box. Just the cardboard box of this for $15 on Poshmark. So if you just want a cardboard box with nothing inside of it, that too can be yours. I've got a headache. Ugh. Without further ado, let's open the box. What's inside? Ooh, I'm very excited because the first thing I see, I forgot, there was some other products that I didn't have, which is the Supreme Frosts. I did not have those either. It is a Supreme Frost highlight powder. What does that say? I can't read. Oh, frozen peach. I'm showing it upside down and backwards, so that's probably why I can't read. Oh my god, I haven't seen any of the packaging. This is so cute. Ooh, it's so pretty. I love this packaging. Hopefully I have a trusted alcohol wipe. Ooh, I do, so I can sanitize. And then swatchy swatchy. Sanitize. Wow, this is it came out dry. Why? Oh, this one's wet. Okay. This is what the product looks in pan. Up close, look at the dazzle. Ooh, this is gorgeous. I feel like I could have worn this today. I think I'm wearing Dark Horse today. I don't remember what I put on. I've been wearing this all day. It's a little crispy. I literally swatched this in the worst spot ever. My skin is just try not to look at it. But here we go. Sometimes I feel there we go. Is that better? I feel like it's not reading on camera as pretty as it is in real life. Up next, we have a lippy. Wait, wasn't this one of the brand new ones? I feel like I just got this with the Alien collection. This is Can't Relate. I love that packaging. I love everything that is glitter. I love to look at glitter. Glitter on the eyes, no good. But the good thing about this is the packaging is just glitter. So you get the beautiful look of glitter without the inconvenience of actual glitter. Ooh, the beautiful swatch of that. It has not matted down yet, but look at that. We have lots of lips in here. This is a lip ammo in the very classic unicorn blood. The cute little lip ammo tube. It looks so lovely. Very nice and creamy. Go. I feel like you could almost like put those two together in a really pretty way. Up next is one that I feel like I have not seen in a while, but I feel like I got this one in the minis. I don't remember what that mini collection was, but it was like the rainbow one, and I feel like I used this as eyeliner. Nice and orange. I love his liquid lip stips so much, is because since they are vegan and all of that kind of good stuff, you can double them not only as lippies but as eyeliners as well. So there is Flamethrower. That is a very beautiful orange color. Look at that. Another lippy in the shade Diamond, and this is Velour Liquid Lipstick. I cannot say lipstick today. My God. Do you ever get like that where you just can't say words? Why do I feel like this launched in a summertime? Or maybe this was the Jeffree Star Family collection? Do you guys remember that? That was so adorable. It came in like a little house, the whole collection. So cute. Ooh, I love this one. I feel like I recently had my nails painted this color and I love it. And now I wish I could remember what that nail polish shade is so that I could do it again. But it's like a beautiful periwinkle blue shade. It looks like we have one liquid lippy left in the shade Baby Daddy, and I'm actually so glad this one is in the box. I was actually one of the lucky ones, like right when the mystery boxes launched, there was a glitch on his website, and so some people got to pick a free lippy with the order, and I got to do that, and I picked Baby Daddy, and then I forgot to bring it as part of this unboxing, but it's in the box, which I'm so glad now that I have doubles of this, because this is such a shade that I would love to use as an eyeliner. There we have it. I just love this kind of like suede brown fawn color. I love that. I think that that is such a gorgeous color. The next thing we have, oh my gosh, why do I not remember this? This had to be part of the Thirsty launch, so I should have this, but it is the Velour Lip Scrub in Grape Soda. And I remember when the lip scrubs first launched, and oh my gosh. Here it is. Love the orange packaging. And let's open it up and have a look. Oh my gosh. I know it's supposed to be grape soda, but it literally smells like grape Kool-Aid, like a grape Kool-Aid jammer. The lip scrubs always like smell and taste so good because they are edible. Two more. Well, there's like something in the bottom. Oh my god, I don't even know what that is. Okay, we're gonna save that for last because that's like a total mystery inside of a mystery. One of my favorite Skin Frost of all time. We have a King Tut. I don't remember when this one launched, but I believe it's part of one of the highlighting palettes as well. Maybe the 24 karat highlighting palette. I keep wanting to say powder when it's palette. You guys, it's 5 seconds before Christmas. My brain is scrambled. Ooh, so smooth. There we go. In the worst place possible. But these lights are too blinding to even like, okay, that's the wrong. Well, maybe that was a good one. We're just playing musical light bulb now. We're just singing in the dark. Here we go. So beautiful. It's like a very bronzed, sun-kissed highlight. The last, it looks like maybe the last makeup product in here is Mint Condition. I feel like this is the first green highlighter that was like ever on the market. I feel like you've seen other brands do it now, but I don't know. It was a first for me. I remember when this first came out, I was just like, Gator green highlighter. Let me see if I can swatch it on this crusty section of my arm back here. It's just like a hint of green where it's kind of like, what's going on there? I've always loved Mint Condition. I don't remember what the black highlighter is called, but I liked that one too. And then, was it called Princess Cut? Like the pink one. Love that one. I'm excited to have that one back because I feel like maybe I lost it or broke it or I did something. Up next, we have a Jeffree Star pop socket. I didn't even know he had pop sockets. See, I feel like I don't know that much about like the merch side of it. But it is just your standard, whatever that accent was, just a standard pap socket. This, oh my god, there's even more things in here. I didn't know this was another thing. Okay, we have, oh my gosh, oh, this is so cute. So we have a embroidered Jeffree Star t-shirt. Wow, this is like really cool. It's like there's almost like something that makes the emblem puffy on the inside. It's very, very soft. And now I put highlighter and lipstick swatches all over it, so it needs a bath. I wish you guys could all just reach through the screen right now and have a little touch. The next thing, oh, this is so, okay, see, I looked down and I thought I saw a denim jacket, which does it exist? Is there a Jeffree Star denim jacket? I have no idea. But I looked down, I saw this, and I saw the stitching, and I thought it was one item, but it's two items. In here, we have a Jeffree Star hoodie, which who can ever have enough hoodies? Once again, it's like really nice and thick. I love, oh my god, the inside is velour. It's like a hot pink velour. That is so cute. This just has like a really nice, like I keep dropping it. Anyway, it has a really nice high quality feel to it. Embroidered, like thick fabric. It's juicy. And then we have little pockets, but I think my favorite part is literally the hot pink velour inside. I love that. Last item in here is something that I don't even know what it is, but it's in this box. Is it a mirror? Could it be a mirror? That's the only thing I can think of. It's got an orange sticker on it. So what's it gonna be? What's it gonna... Ooh, it has to be, right? It has to be. Ah! Oh my god. I am so excited. I love orange. I mean, Halloween, Clockwork Orange. Orange is just kind of, I love it. So I'm very happy. I have a red star mirror. Wow, almost just bonked my eye out of excitement. There's that. Here is a little orange star mirror, and I'm so excited. Look at yourself. That is it for my ultimate Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box. I am very happy. I definitely should total this up right now so that I can tell you guys like what the product, I don't even know what, let me see. Worst YouTuber ever. Let me see like what the value of the products inside was supposed to be. I'm not sure if that was like an aspect of the mystery as well. I'm not sure if it was like some boxes, because that's normally how like mystery things work, right? You normally at least get your value of items back, but sometimes you get boxes that are more valuable, and sometimes you get ones that are a little bit on the lower end. Give me a minute. I'm gonna do some calculations. We'll answer all those burning questions. Look, I feel like that reporter from Harry Potter. You know the one. The value of my box would have been $297. And I think at the beginning of this video, I said I paid $175 for it. So definitely I got my money's worth. And I had to guess on a couple of items because the hoodie, the t-shirt, and the pop socket, I saw other t-shirts on his website and other hoodies on his website. So I picked a price from that because these couple of items are sold out and not on the website anymore. And the pop socket was not on the website either. I think pop sockets are $15. I don't know, they might be 10, they might be 20, so maybe like give or take $5 here or there off the value of my box, but You guys, I thoroughly enjoyed this experience. I'm not much of a gambler. Like every now and again, I'll buy a scratch off ticket, but I feel like mystery boxes and stuff are kind of like my gambling outlet, because you know that you're gonna get something good in here. You're gonna get something of value. And definitely I got a lot of products that have been favorites that I've run out of, and a couple items that I don't think I've ever had before. So I am thoroughly impressed and excited with my box. So that is it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it is kind of a month late, but let's hang out anyway. Thank you guys so much for being here today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit that button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp Family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye!